Hi, I am Krishna Prasad Gangarazu. Today I am going to explain 1.3 exercise in real numbers of 9th class. If you like my teaching, then subscribe the channel and share to your friends. Okay? So, today the first question is visualize 2.874 on the number line using successive magnification. We have to show this number on number line by using successive magnification. What is the meaning of successive magnification? We have to magnify the number successively, means step by step. We have to magnify that number. First I have to take this entire number, after that this 2.8, after that 2.87, after that 2.874. This way is called successive. So first value, this entire value lies between 2 and 3. 2.874 means 2.8 means above 2 and below 3. So in number line this value is lies between 2 and 3 because this 2.8 means above 2 and less than 3. So I am writing like this. So I have to write 2.874 on number line. So 2.874 lies between 2 and 3. 2 and 3. So I am drawing the number line. So here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. And also numbers 11, 12 is also will be there. It's going on. Up to 10 I am writing. So first one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So this 2.874 lies between 2 and 3. 2 and 3, where is 2 and 3? These numbers. Okay. Now I have to go to enlarge this 2, 3. Again 10 parts. So this side number here, this is 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, this is 3, this is 2 and that is 3. So here this is 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5, 2.6, 2.7, 2.8, 2.9 and 3. So where it is 2. After 8, 2.8. 2.8 is above 2.8 and below 2.9 because after 2.8 some number is there. Means this is above that number and below 2.9. So this is the our required. 2.87 means above 8 and below 9. Above 8 and below 9. So again I am dividing this into here this side I am drawing 2.8 here. Again 10 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 2.8. Here 2.9. 2.8, 2.9. Again 10 parts. This first part is 2.81, 2.82, 2.83, 2.84, 2.85, 2.86, 2.87, 2.88, 2.89. After 2.89, 2.9. Okay. So next I have to go 2.874. So 2.874, where it is lies? To above 2.87 and below 2.8. So see here 2.874 after 87 and below 88. So this is our required. So again I am drawing. So like this. Here so 2.87 here, 2.88. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 means 2.87, here 2.88. So first of all, after 2.87, 2.871, here 2.872, here 2.873, 2.874, 2.875, 2.876, 2.877, 2.878, 2.879. After 2.879, 2.88. So this is. So where what is number 2.874? Where is 2.874? This is. So this is our answer. Therefore 2.874 on number line. So see these steps. What are the steps I took here? First, I have to select this entire value lies between 2 and 3. So left side 2, right side 2 and 3. So I will put here 2, there 3, again 10 parts. Each part is 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4 like that. Again, this value after 2.8, next below 2.9. So 2.8, 2.9. 2.8, 2.9. So again I am taking 2.8 here, 2.9 here, and again divided into 10 equal parts. So here 2.8, 2.81, 2.82, 2.83, so on, 2.89, 2.9. Again 2.874. So 874 means above 7, below 8. So above 7, below 8. This is the range. So I am taking 2.87 here, 2.88 there, again 10 equal parts. So this first part is 2.871, 2.872, 873, 874, 875, like this I am dividing. So what is our required value? 2.874, where it is 2.874 here. So this is another line. This is magnification. So here, this 2.874 here, 2.88 here. Okay, we have to do like this. So this 2.874 lies between 2 and 3. So here what is 2.87 lies between this value 2.8 and 2.9. So this value 2.874 lies between which value? 2.87 and 2.88. So this, after that, this one direct number. So in first case, I am taking the center value lies between 2 and 3. After that, 2.87 above 8 and below 9. So above 8 and below 9 I am taking like this. So between 2 and 3. After that, I am doing step by step. Okay, I think so you have to understand. You understood this question. Okay. So this first question is over. Next question, second, 5.28 bar on number line up to 3 decimals. Up to 3 decimals we have to show. So 5.28 bar means 5.28 like this going on. He is asking up to 3 decimals. Up to 3 decimals means after point up to 3 places. So up to here, this is enough. 5.282. We have to show this on number line. Simply, directly he is asking up to 3 decimals, so you have to show on number line. But this is non-repeating, this is going on. This is going on, endless, non-repeating, repeating, but going on. So up to 3 places we have to take. So 5.28 to up to here, 3 places. So this is on number line. So this 5.282 I have to mark on number line. So this value lies between, in which integers? Between 5 and 6. So first I am drawing the number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 going on. So 5.28 means between 5 and 6. Between 5 and 6. So second step. Again here 5. 10 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here 5, here 6. Divide into 10 equal parts. 5.1, 5.2, 5.3, 5.4, 5.5, 5.6, 5.7, 5.8, 5.9, 6. So every number can be subdivided into 10 parts. So 5, 6 I am dividing into 10 subdivisions. So what is next number? 5.28. 5.28 means above 2 and below 3. Above 2 and below 3. Above 2 and below 3 is this one. So value above 2 and below 3. So here I am taking here 5.2. Put arrow mark both sides because the line is going this side and this side. Again divide into 10 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is 5.2, this is 5.3. So 5.21, 5.22, 5.23, 5.24, 5.25, 5.26, 5.27, 5.28, 5.29 and 5.3. So here 5.2, there 5.3. So 5.282 means 5.282 means 5.282 means above 8, above 8 and below 9. Above 8 and below 9. So 5.28, 9, below 9, 5.29. So this is our step. I am doing this step by step. First step is this value lies between 5 and 6. Okay. So second step is again I am dividing this 5 and 6 into 10 parts. 5.1, 5.2 like this. So what is the next number? 5.28. 28 means above 2 and below 3. Above 2 and below 3. This one. Next number is 2. So 28. After 8, above 8 and below 9. So I am doing above 8 and below 9. Very easy method. So here this point is 5.28. I am subdividing this into 10 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here 5.28, this one 5.29, sorry, 5.28, 1, 5.281, here 5.282, 5.283, 5.284, 5.285, 5.286, 5.287, 5.288, 5.289 and 5.29. So this is the number here. 5.28, 5.29. I am subdivided into 10 equal parts. So what is the value? I have to 2.82. 82 means above 8 and below 9. So 282. Where is 282? This one. So this is our answer. 5.282. I think you understood this sum. So first step is entire value lies between 5 and 6. Again 5, 6 is subdivided into 10 parts. So next step is above 2 and below 3. Above 2 means below 3. 5.2 and 5.3. Left side 5.2. Right side 5.3. Again this is subdivided after 2, 282 means above 8 and below 9. So above 8 and below 9. Above 8 and below 9. This is the value. Again 5.28 here. 5.29 here. I am again subdivided into 10 parts. So 5.281, 5.282, 5.283, so on. 5.29. So what our required value is 5.282. 5.282 this one. So this is up to 3 decimals. So I think so you understood this question. If you like my teaching, then subscribe the channel and share to your friends. Okay. So this exercise is completed. Thank you for watching.